common styling mistakes in the fall and winter and how to fix them. Hi, my name's Chi. Let's get right into it. Shoes and outfit mismatch. Your shoes have its own personality. The right shoe is gonna elevate your entire outfit. The wrong shoe, well, just like this, is gonna ruin everything. What I noticed is the toe shape determines the personality of your shoes. This shoe has a bigger toe shape. The bigger the toe, the more masculine they're gonna look. And that explains why it just won't look right if you pair it with a feminine piece like this. Instead, switch to a more slender toe shape, like the pointed toe. Pointed toe has always been my go-to because most pieces in my closet are feminine styles. But some of you mentioned you're not comfortable in pointed toe. In that case, go with rounded toe. But this is not to say this type of shoe will never look good. You can make it work, but with an edgy outfit. Switch to a Moto jacket like this, and this is the outfit. Looks more in harmony with your shoes. If you're petite, make sure you check out my clothing line at petitedressing.com for women under 5'4". Ever since I discovered petitedressing.com, my style went from this to this.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench, spending all the back like here I go again.
Loose bottom with a loose top. Loosely fitted bottoms, wide leg pants, wide leg jeans are so comfortable. Besides, they're also a statement piece and they can make you look super chic. But because the leg shape carries so much volume, that's exactly what makes them so difficult to layer on when the weather gets a little colder. If you wear it with a relaxed fit sweater blazer like this, very hard to look good because it ages you and can make you look bigger than you actually are. Instead, switch to a sweater top that fits closer to your body. It doesn't need to be tight because it balances out the volume in the leg shape. Immediately, you're gonna look more put together. Tight with tight. This is the opposite of what we just talked about, but this is another common mistake we see in the fall and winter. Skinny jeans is a perfect staple for this time of the year because they are the easiest to wear with tall boots over the knee boots. But what I noticed is because skinny jeans fit so close to your body, it is gonna make your bottom half look very slender. So you need something on top to balance it out. If you don't, it's gonna look like this, which I see a lot of people wearing. Your top and your bottom both are clinging to your body. This on me doesn't look too bad because I'm an overall skinny person. It does look like it lacks some balance. So instead, when I switch to a top, a jacket that's relaxed fit, this is gonna give your outfit a more balanced look and also it's more forgiving. Next, let's talk about proportion. First, let me thank today's video sponsor, Lily Silk. I have really sensitive skin and that is why holiday season my go-to is silk. Not only because they look luxurious, but also they are the most gentle against my skin. And Lily Silk, they only use a top grade mulberry tree silk, which makes a big difference. Longer skirts look dressier, but if you leave your top out like this, cutting your body right in the middle, not the most flattering proportion. Instead, I rolled it up and I also added a belt. Now your body is divided into thirds, a lot better. The same applied to this midi-length skirt. When you make your top shorter, it makes a huge difference. Immediately elevate your outfit. What I love about Lily Silk, zero waste policy. They're really committed to protecting the environment. I've left the links down below for the cashmere sweaters and the silk skirts I'm wearing today. The best news, use my coupon code for extra 12% off. Your coat is not long enough. I have said this in my other videos, but I have to say it again because this is such a common mistake when it comes to layering in the fall and the winter. If you're wearing longer skirts or dresses and your coat is not long enough, this is gonna leave the bottom of your skirt or dresses sticking out under your coat, and this looks very unflattering. And I used to look like this and I couldn't figure out what was off. Until recently, I know it's because that fabrics underneath is giving you that horizontal line, and that's what's making your entire outfit look ruined. So make sure you're wearing a longer coat that's at least covering most of your skirts or dresses. Sometimes if your skirts or dresses are so long, you may not be able to find a coat that's long enough to completely cover it, and that is okay. If you have just a little bit of your fabric sticking out under your coat, that can still work. Your coat is too long. Wait a second, Chi. You just said that your coat shouldn't be too short. Yes, but that was talking about skirt and dress outfit. Now let's look at when you are wearing jeans or pants with a coat in the fall and winter. The best length is not the longer length. When your jackets are thigh length, this is what I found the most difficult to wear because this is what can easily make you look older. And especially if your coat has no waist definition, this is gonna make it look even worse because this can make you look shapeless and also make you look frumpy. If your coat is longer, make sure it has a belt like this. A belted coat is one of the best ways to dress in the fall and winter because it gives you a very feminine touch, and also immediately this is gonna make your proportion look elevated because this belt is gonna tell the eye where your waistline is, and under your waistline everything is gonna be considered your legs by the eye. Another great option is to go shorter. Go with a crop length jacket. It doesn't need to be too short. It can be about your upper hips. This length is the most useful length that can immediately elevate your outfit. Besides, I have found this length the most versatile length for the jackets for the fall and winter because they can easily pair with any of the bottom in your closet. They look great with your jeans and pants. They also look great when you are wearing skirts underneath. Coats are such an important item for our winter closet. You really want to make a very wise decision about them because they are investment pieces. Did you know that there are 5 types of coats that's most easy to age you? I mentioned if they're too long, they can make it very hard to wear, but there are also other types. For example, the very popular plaid coats that's back on trend this year. They are actually very hard to wear and they can make you look older than you actually are. I just did another video on this topic. Avoid these types of coats because they are gonna make you look frumpier and older than you actually are. So make sure you watch this video as well.